When you plan to start your cleaning company, it seems like there is demand for it at every corner. However, it can be hard to find customers after you are in the business. Those of you who have been in the industry for a long time are probably familiar with this scenario and are looking for effective ways to get more customers. Hey, I'm Josh from Brillion. Stay tuned because I'll be sharing our top 10 tips to get more customers for your residential and commercial cleaning company. It doesn't matter if you are a well-established cleaning business or a newbie in the market. Finding and maintaining your customers is always a challenge. We're here to share some of the most valuable tips that will help you attract more customers to your cleaning company and grow your business. Now, before we start, remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content just like this. Our first tip is offer regular coupons and discounts. Who doesn't love a good bargain? Most customers will choose a service that offers decent discounts over services that don't. So offer some great discounts and coupons to attract new cleaning customers and keep regular customers coming back. Be strategic about when to offer these deals and to whom. An easy start is to offer a new customer discount. Getting a good deal on your first expense is something customers always love. But there are other, less obvious discounts that you can use to grow your business, such as laying out discounts on referrals. Let your customers bring in other clients so they can both enjoy some discounts and you can enjoy some extra customers. With Brillion, you can create discount codes based on services, day of the week, hours booked, and if they are using your mobile app or online booking. Our second tip is set up an email campaign. For more personalized and targeted marketing, you can even set up an email campaign. Establish your campaign by knowing which audience group you want to target. For example, knowing the potential customer's neighborhood, etc. Once you've got that, make sure you have a comprehensive message to send out to them and make sure it's something they can connect to. The message must be brief and should be a solution to a problem that your clients want fixed. Planning out the frequency at which you will send these emails to potential customers is crucial. It should be enough to influence them, but not so often as to bore or irritate them. With Brillion, you can target your inactive customers and lure them in with a special discount code. Our third tip is go for cross-promotional strategy. Have you tried cross-promotion yet? If not, then you should start doing so right away. If you only focus on residential cleaning, then you can reach out to other businesses in the area that offer different services, like plumbing or carpet cleaning, to expand your network. Then you can collaborate to recommend each other's businesses to customers in your area. You and the other businesses can set up a paid referral program, as per which you earn a referral fee for every new client you get via recommendation. This simple but effective strategy will almost always bring promising results. Make sure you discuss and decide upon the incentive fee in advance to avoid any complications or disagreements later on. Our fourth tip, host parties. Another way to get more customers is by using the oldest trick in the book, throw a party. Host a chill brunch or dinner party in your locality and invite all your regular customers. Ask them to bring their friends so that you have a larger audience group to target. Take this party as an opportunity to show gratitude towards your existing clients and find more potential customers. Talk to new people about your company. Share information about your offers, deals, and more. Keep the tone of your party social and don't turn it into a promotional event altogether. By throwing parties, you make your customers feel valued, and they'll be more likely to recommend you whenever someone asks for a cleaning service. Our fifth tip is allow online bookings. The business world today is all about the customer's convenience. And for a cleaning business, one of the most effective ways to offer convenience is by using online bookings. A client looking to hire a cleaning service might be searching for it any hour of the day. By adding an online booking feature, you let your customers get to you whenever they want to. Customers usually prefer businesses that are transparent with their pricing structure. Time is a luxury nowadays, so a business owner looking for commercial cleaning services may not have the time to call you or schedule a meeting to arrange a booking. But a convenient online booking feature can fit into any routine, no matter how busy. With Brillion, you can connect online booking within minutes and then price it per hour, units, or services, and get paid online immediately. You can also enable auto-assign to automatically select the closest employee to the job. Our sixth tip is get online bookings from your email signature. Add a signature card on all of your staff emails, including your own. At the bottom of the signature card, give a link to your online booking. This way, you can get more cleanings from your email signature. Customers can sometimes forget your company name or number, but if there is an online booking link on every email, even business-related emails can convert into new jobs. It's best to add some review links too. It doesn't matter if you don't have pages of reviews, something is better than nothing. You can use the brilliant online booking link on your email signatures. You will be able to use it even if you don't have a website. What do you think, guys? Enjoying the list? If so, hit like below. It really helps us. And continue watching for the last 4 tips. Our 7th tip is take advantage of social media. The fastest way to reach out to a global level audience is through social media. No matter how well made and maintained your website is, without a strong social media presence, it could all go to waste. Through an effective social media campaign, you can communicate to a mass audience directly. While you set up your business's social media accounts, check which platforms your customers use the most. Then, focus your social media campaign and efforts into that particular platform. The content you post on your account must be exciting and unique. You can post videos, infographics, pictures, and more related to your business. You can also use the brilliant online booking link on all of your posts, and this way you could improve conversions. Our 8th tip is join local Facebook groups. When you join local Facebook groups, the idea is to not bore them with tons of offers and deals about your cleaning business. Instead, be part of the group. Offer relevant suggestions and tips to promote your business with subtlety. Make sure you are familiar with the group's self-promotion rules while you join. Promoting through these groups is about conversing with people and not just talking about your business straight away. Take your time. Be a vital part of the group. Leave your comments, engage in discussions, etc. Check for different Facebook groups in your area to see which ones are worth joining. Our 9th tip is promote recycling marketing. Many people today are aware of the damage we cause to the environment. These people avoid choosing services that use materials such as plastic and chemicals, and prefer environmentally friendly services. Let your customers know that you are proud to use sustainable materials and are contributing to the concerns about the environment. You can add slogans to your campaign to celebrate green living and show that you're engaging in occasions like Earth Day. Recycling marketing will give your business an edge against your competitors, and customers can feel good about choosing you. Our 10th tip is get a customer app for customer retention. Getting an app for your customers to use is a worthwhile investment. It's a great initial selling point, but absolutely fantastic for customer retention. If a client chooses you as their cleaning partner, you get them to download the app for pricing, booking, scheduling, and more. Once they use the app, they are more likely to be your regular customer. Nobody wants 4 or 5 apps on their phone just for cleaning companies. So once you've got a customer to download your app, they'll be using your cleaning service whenever they need it. With Brilliant, you can get a customer app within a week, so you can impress your customers with your own personalized app and start getting bookings, online payments, employee reviews, and more. So, those are our 10 tips, everyone. We've been through more than enough for you to generate more customers. But what do you think? Did we miss anything? Comment below to let us know. At Brilliant, we're always excited to hear what you have to say. We also have everything you need to automate and grow your cleaning company. Check out our cleaning software and features that you can make the most of to grow your cleaning business, wherever you are in your business journey.